my dear children. Today we are going to learn about adjectives, which means superlative adjectives and comparative adjectives. Now when you speak about adjectives, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. A word that we use to describe the noun is known as an adjective. So we can categorize adjectives into two parts as comparative and superlative. So what are comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives are, now see, it is normally used if you want to compare two things or two people. Now see, there are two people. Which one is the taller one? See, this one is the taller one. So, he is taller than me. Now see, you say tall is the adjective. So, to the adjective you add er. In comparative adjectives, you compare between two things or two people and the formation is adjective plus er. I hope everybody understood what I said. Now see the second one. My car is cheaper than your car. See, cheaper. Cheap is the adjective and you have added er. So, we have made it as a comparative adjective. Adjective is the cheap. So, after P we have added er and made it as an comparative adjective. So, now see, I want you all to convert these into comparative adjectives. Now, we double the consonant and add er. You can see here, big is big. But when we have converted it, now can you see there is another extra g. That is because if an adjective ends in one vowel plus a consonant, we have to double the consonant and add er. Understood? So now see, here the second example, happy, H-A-P-P-Y. H-A-P-P-Y. Now when we have converted this adjective into a comparative adjective, what we have done? Er is there, but instead of y we have put I, which means if an adjective ends with y, we change it to I and add er. Understood? Alright, now let's learn about superlative adjectives. Now see, how many images are there? There are 3 images. Now earlier we studied comparative adjectives, we compared only 2. Now we are comparing 3 or more, which means for superlative adjectives, children, we compare 3 or more things or people. Now see, when using short words, we add the plus adjective plus est. Understand? Which means, now tall. Now see how many people are there? There are 3 people. Okay? So, who is the tallest? Who is the tallest? Now, tall is the adjective. To that, we have added est and converted it into a superlative adjective. Now, let's see some examples. Okay? Short. Short, when you convert it into a comparative adjective, you have put er and it becomes shorter. Now superlative adjective, shorter, it will become shortest. That means to the same adjective, for comparative adjective we put er and for superlative adjective we put est. Second one, it's high. Comparative adjective is higher and the superlative adjective is highest. Now, cold. Colder, coldest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. For comparative adjectives, we have added er to the adjective. For superlative adjectives, we have added est at the end of the adjective. So I hope everybody understood what I said. So God bless and stay safe, children.